So, good morning, guys. Today is the fifth day of my video logging, and I'm very much excited to give you an output regarding what I have achieved till now. I have achieved like a few things, better understanding of our data structure algorithms, and started working with a few basic problems and improvising myself on a regularity. So that is what I have achieved till now, and I would be achieving like more things, and I would be growing up into whatever things are required. Now, coming to the today's agenda, today we are having a similar kind of easy problem which we would be resolving. And before that, I would be asking my viewers to like give a like or give a comment for me. Like it would be much more sufficient for me so that it would be good enough and good opportunity to get in touch with you guys. And coming next to, let me introduce myself. I'm Dikshit Vora. I like to call Dax as a pet name, and I'm a Munch tech developer. I'm working with software industry for like say 6 years now, and today is like a very good day for me because I was able to achieve like few things in my working environment, and it seems to be going good. So coming to the current scenario, like I'm working with a good firm who is well renowned into the industry, and it's good enough. So coming back to our working environment and coming back to our function and to the problem as well. So let me share my screen to showcase the problem, and we can go through the detailed description, and then we will be resolving that problem. So coming to the screen, and this screen is available. Yep. So, and I'm doing like a few changes onto my other screen so that it would be much more convenient for me as well. So coming to the problem, so this is like merge sort array. It's a very much simple problem. Like we need to sort like merge two array, and we have to sort them. And they are providing like few different values, as in like an extra number, so that it would be adding up those number. Saying like if I'm having for the num1 is a first array, and I'm having a value of m which is 3. So I have to take like first 3, 1, 2, 3, and I have to take into that array, and there would be a second one which would be a second array which is like 2, 5, 6, and we would be having a value of n which is 3. So it would be taking 2, 5, 3, and we would be able to get the output of this one. Here there is a specific instruction which is given on leet code, that you did not to go for an output of return, but in our setup we need to do the return statement because we are doing the testing the same scenario, and if we have the return statement, then it would be much more convenient to go for the testing. So for that reason I given the return statement, and I would be writing a return statement into the solution as well. So that is it, like a basic description. And now coming to the problem back. So let us solve the problem, and the solution start with this few little thing. So let us define a value of let I equals to 0. Yeah, 0. A simple thing. Let's definition of I, and then we have a for loop. For would be with I. Okay, no need to define over here because we have already defined it over there, and we can just assign the value of I. Now coming to another point, like I would be what? I would be less than n, because n is the value which we would be adding up. Okay, second, what is the second thing that we want to do? So the second point would be I would be incremental. I would be incremental, that is true. And we want to add one more parameter which would be I would m plus plus, because we have to add those number into our value. So m plus plus, so it would be increasing that position. So that is the current scenario which we are having. And if I'm not wrong, I've done some kind of error over here. So it is saying like okay, but seems there is something which I need to fix it up. Okay. Oh, my bad. It should not be by this way. Okay. Because we are having like three parameters, we would be having like three parameters. So for that reason, it was giving us the error. Here we have to give a comma, and that would be it. Like need not to get give this value. So sometimes people like we need to take a good look onto our code, and this is how we would be improvising ourselves on a day to day. Because many a times like a smaller line of code would be giving you a big trouble, and smaller comma or say question mark would be giving you lots of trouble. So now coming to nums, 1 of m would be equal to nums of 2 of I. So it would be giving for the addition of it would be giving for the equal. So it would be assigning that value, and then we just need to do return outside the for loop, like num1 is equal to nums1 dot sort. We are sorting the array. So sort of, we are having like a function which would be a and b. We are providing two values into sort function so that it would be checking those values and it would be sorting those. So here we are having like a description onto the smaller portion. Over here you can see like in the description in case, and that is the same way that we would be doing. It would be like a minus b. So this is the solution to this problem, and let us do the check. So npm run test merge sort, and yeah, yes, we are able to get the output of all of the test cases. And yeah, this is the test cases that I have written. And after this one, I'm creating a smaller video for another thing, that is how to give a PR raise and how to get an approval from your superior. So there is a community group where I'm putting all of my code, as well as it is into my repo as well. So I'm giving a PR raise to the community, and I'll be putting all of the things over there. So that is the today's video about, and thank you very much guys for being with me, and please give me a like or a comment. I'm pretty much excited for the comment. I'm not interested in like any other aspect, but I would be very much interested in the comments so that I can give a reply and I can communicate with you. Thank you guys.